Not now, Arjun. I am tired.
It's so tall now. Oh, no, no, no. Oh, no.
Arjun, why are you so careless?
I'm sorry, Papa. I didn't mean it.
Just go sit down.
There we go. Good.
Papa is angry with me.
Papa is tired. It is not about you.
It is not about you.
It's not important. You are important.
I was too hard on him. He was only proud of his tower. Let me go and fix this. Arjun, wake up for 1 minute. I'm sorry I was angry. Your tower was very good.
Really, Papa?
Really. It was the best tower I ever saw.
It's okay, Papa. I still love you.
I love you too, beta. Tomorrow, we build it together.
Taller this time. Promise?
I promise.
Good night, Papa.
Good night, my loves.